Hey guys, thank you very much for stopping by at fatchefskinnychef.com, or maybe you're on YouTube, or maybe you're watching this on Roku. In any case, I'm glad to have you here. Now, this is one of the videos that I've been looking forward to making the longest, and it's probably going to be one of the first videos featured on the website. And the reason it's so important is because if you're on a paleo diet or a low carb diet, or especially a lectin-free diet like the plant paradox, this is one of those things that's going to really help you get through it on those days when you don't have time to put all these crazy things together. This is my lectin-free smoothie recipe, and it's a lifesaver. So here's how you put together a lectin-free smoothie. Alright, so before we get into smoothieing, the first thing you're going to need to make good smoothies is a really good quality blender. So do not skimp on a good quality blender. I am not sponsored by Blendtec or have received any sort of promotional whatevers from them. I just happen to like it, and I do own a Blendtec. You can also get something like a Vitamix. They're both, I think, equally good. Anything less than that is not really going to be a smoothie. It's going to be more of a chunky. So get yourself a good blender. Alright, so you're in a real hurry and you have to eat all this stuff. So what is the most efficient way to get this into your stomach? If you answered with a scalpel, you are technically correct. However, a slightly more pleasurable way would be to turn this into a smoothie. So we have some organic broccoli, organic celery, organic carrots, peeled, everything's organic, frozen berries, organic greens. I have about a quarter cup of coconut oil, because you need the calories, and because if you are on keto or you're low carbing, most of your calories do come from fat anyways. So this will make it sort of a meal replacement. Now this is sunflower lecithin. What does sunflower lecithin do? It breaks down fat molecules into smaller molecules so your body can digest it better. So if you're ever taking any fat with your meals, you should also do some sunflower lecithin. It'll make it easier for your body to digest. You can also see the stuff that I have here, sunflower lecithin. I do like to put liquid vitamin C in my smoothie because for various reasons, it's healthy. It keeps the color of the smoothie stable, and because it adds a little bit of tartness and sour flavor to it. Okay, so let's build our smoothie. And there you go, a lectin-free meal on the go. That's what I do when I'm in a real hurry. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your subscriptions help me make more videos.